So for today, I'll be teaching you how to buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet. So when it comes to buying BNB, there are several reputable cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from. These platforms have been carefully selected based on factors such as fees, security measures, availability, features, and products. And here are the top 3 popular exchanges where you can purchase your BNB. Coinbase. Coinbase is a well-known and trusted exchange that offers a user-friendly interface. It provides a seamless experience for users looking to buy BNB with Coinbase. You can easily create an account, deposit funds, and purchase BNB with ease. So for you to be able to buy BNB, you must add a payment method and then select or find the BNB on the asset list. And after that, you need to enter amount that you wanted to purchase with the BNB cryptocurrency. After that, you need to verify your amount or wanted to purchase. And after verifying it, you will proceed to the confirmation. And that's how you buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet.